Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Google Maps and turning on location services so the app knows where you are. This enables real-time routing. Next, you add home and work so directions are one tap. This saves time and avoids typing. Once done, create saved lists like favorites. Finally, download offline maps for the regions you'll use without data and pick a lower map quality if you need to conserve storage. This step prevents navigation failures when connectivity drops. You now plan the route. Select driving, transit, walking, or bicycling and compare ETA so you pick the fastest or safest option. Then add multiple stops and reorder them by dragging. This lets you optimize a trip with errands. Make sure to tap route options to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries when required. Once set, enable voice guidance and lane assistance for hands-free driving, and use live view for walking with AR overlays. This reduces wrong turns and improves. You complete the trip by sharing your ETA and current route with contacts so others can track progress. This is useful for meetups or deliveries. Before arrival, scan route details and Street View to confirm the drop-off spot and parking options, and save the area offline if you'll return. If something goes wrong, pins misplaced, wrong ETA, first update the app and clear the cache. If that fails, report the map issue from the menu. Google will review edits and restore correct routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.